Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist Matt Holiner here, filling in for meteorologist Kirsten Lang, who is out on maternity leave. Just wanted to bring you an update on the stormy day that we're expecting in Tulsa. And because it's May in Oklahoma, yes, there's a chance of severe storms as well. But not early this morning, though I do have to mention a good chance of rain for the morning commute. We're talking about scattered showers and weak thunderstorms. And so no severe storms to worry about, but heavy rain and lightning in spots for the morning commute, yes. That is a possibility. Looking pretty wet, 8, 9, 10 o'clock this morning, but look what happens when we jump ahead to noon. Now, I still think there's going to be some rain around, but transitioning temporarily to just isolated showers and storms. But there's going to be new development this afternoon. Still, with these isolated shower storms, no severe threat. The severe threat is going to be at about 3 o'clock right along I-35. That's where the new storms are going to start to fire up. And actually, it's a good thing that we're seeing the showers and storms this morning and all the clouds, because that's going to help hold down our temperatures. Look at 3 o'clock. There's a good chance that we're only going to top out in the upper 60s in Tulsa, which is actually a little below normal for this time of year. Normal high temperatures are in the mid 70s. You know, some might make it into the low 70s, especially south of Tulsa, but that's probably going to be it. So that's a good thing. That's going to help reduce the severe threat, but unfortunately not eliminating it completely. And the main thing I want to emphasize is, just like for the morning commute, for the homebound commute, it's looking wet as well. Look how we're back 5, 6 o'clock talking about scattered showers and thunderstorms, heavy rain and lightning in spots. And the problem this time, unlike for the morning commute, for the homebound commute, the storms that do pop up could be severe. There is an outside chance. So is this going to be the end of it? No, because this is activity ahead of a warm front. We still have to get the warm front to lift over us. So let's keep going through time here. Notice 9 o'clock, still talking scattered showers and storms, and see those dark shades of red around I-35 again. Still the potential for severe storms. Notice how that area moves over Tulsa around midnight, so still an outside chance for some severe storms. Definitely lots of showers, weak thunderstorms, definitely looking likely with this additional round of rain. Finally, by 3 a.m., most of the activity is going to be to the east of Tulsa, and temperatures coming down, the atmosphere stabilizing. So by 3 a.m., no more worries about any severe storms, though there could still be some weak storms around. And then let's look ahead to tomorrow, because we're talking about a warm front, so you know there's going to be a warm up. I do have to mention outside chance for some rain for the morning commute tomorrow. I think it's most likely going to be east of Tulsa, but even east of Tulsa, we're just talking about isolated showers and weak storms. And I do think by 11 a.m. tomorrow morning, chance of rain coming to an end. Look at the clouds breaking up, and once the clouds break up, look for temperatures to really rise. So let's jump ahead now to 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon and look at the high temperatures we are expecting tomorrow. Going to be very close in Tulsa to hitting 90 degrees. I'm not going to rule it out. I think upper 80s more likely, but I definitely think it's going to be low 90s south of Tulsa. If you're wondering, record highs for this time of year are in the mid 90s. So not record highs, but now we're talking about above normal temperatures, and it's going to be breezy tomorrow afternoon, gusts around 20 miles per hour. So let's summarize the severe threat, though. I really want us to be on guard in Tulsa for the possibility of severe storms as early as 3 o'clock and as late as 3 a.m. I know that's a big 12-hour window that we're talking about. I just want to say that to be on the cautious side. It definitely looks very stormy during that 12-hour period with multiple rounds of activity working over us. And that is kind of what's enhancing this severe threat. If it was just one round of storms, I wouldn't be as concerned. But when you get multiple rounds of storms, suddenly it becomes more likely that a severe storm could work over us. So what's the worst case scenario? Again, most likely it's just going to be heavy rain and lightning, but not going to rule out wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, possibly up to quarter-size hail. And because we're talking about multiple rounds of thunderstorms, those rain totals are going to start to add up. Now, most likely we're talking about 1 to 2 inches of rain, but there could be a few spots that see 3 inches of rain. And where that occurs, especially if it occurs in a low-lying or poorly drained location, yeah, I do think a few flooded roads are a possibility. Now, tornadoes. The chance is real low but it's not impossible that we could see an EF0 or EF1 tornado spin up. It is a possibility, but the chance is low, and that's the thing I'm least concerned about. And I will say, for everything that I just mentioned, this worst case scenario, it is a little more likely west of Tulsa than east of Tulsa. If you're east of Tulsa, chance for severe storms is smaller than areas to the west of Tulsa.